Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you're trying to find the relay, guys, for your radiator fan is not working, you're trying to find the relay. That relay is actually also for the PWM enable, guys. If you don't know what that is, we have a video made on that, so check it out. We'll explain where that relay is and how to check it, how to remove it, how to replace it, guys. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to show you guys how to do things, how to fix your car on your own, so that way you can save even more money, guys. And we'll have link in the description of the video below where you can buy car parts and tools, relays, stuff like that for a super good price, fast shipping as well. So I'll go ahead, open the hood, and I'll show you now where that radiator fan relay is and what needs to be done to replace that relay. Pretty simple. Now let me explain, guys. Okay, this is the Dodge Dart. Doesn't matter which engine you have, the procedure should be the same. This is your radiator fan. Never stick your fingers there, because if it turns on, it's going to cut your hands off. So now let me show you, okay, what we'll be doing here. Now right here, that's the fuse box. What we need to do, press in here and pull up. Then you need to come out, and on the back side, guys, you have the fuse layout here. Okay, holding it like that corresponds to what we have here. And what we need to find, guys, okay, you can see the ones that says T, that's a relay. The one that says F, it's a fuse. We need to, guys, find actually relay number 2. It will be T02. So let's go ahead and find it. I don't know who numbered those, but doesn't make any sense. But if you come here, it says T14, T05, T02. This third relay right here, guys, that's the one, okay, that we need to remove. So let me show you now what we'll be doing. Checking the fuse box now. Okay, let's come from an angle like that, perfect, so we can see it better. Okay, 1, 2, 3, it's this relay right here. I get pliers like that, grab the relay, guys, okay, and I pull it out. Now if you guys need to buy a replacement one, okay, replacement relay for your radiator fan, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Also we'll have the part numbers, okay, and all that there, so check it out, guys. All that will be shared for your convenience. And when you're ready, guys, to install it, all you have to do, just grab it and push it in. It goes only one certain way. Now if your radiator fan still doesn't work, guys, it could be a fuse, it could be a bad computer for the fan. You have the control module for the fan that controls the speed and all that stuff. We'll have a video on the channel how to test that. Check it out, guys. If you have any other questions, let us know. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for the support, and see you guys next time.